roof inspections. Saving money one inspection at a time. Perfect example. Here's a quick catch today. Membrane is ripped. For sure this is going to leak. It's pretty soft in the area, so probably water already is getting in there. Blocked drain with all these debris allows the water to pool in this area here, channel it to that unit, and cause eventually leaks. First it's gonna saturate this area, ruin all the insulation, and then it's gonna start dripping in wherever the water finds an opening in the metal deck.